Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick unboxing product review of this KOKODI kids camera toy digital camera for kids. So it comes in 4 different colors. We got a dinosaur blue and a dinosaur green. There's also a unicorn pink and a unicorn purple. So a wide variety for different kiddos. This is ideal for boys, I would say. So cute. So the package includes the camera. There's the protective case is already installed. And flip it. Everything else is going to be at the bottom for sure. Okay, there you go. Warranty card. We got a user manual. And then the USB cable to charge it. The lanyard. So the 32 gigabyte SD card is already installed. This is a great camera as a birthday gift. My kiddos are always stealing my phone to take pictures, so this is something to replace or instead of them using up my storage. It has a cute protective case, and my kids requested these cameras between the ages of 3 all the way up to my 10-year-old. She still asks for these cameras, so I'm gonna go give this a little charge and then show you it in action. So we gotta take off this case to get access to that. I'm gonna go plug this in. And here is the camera charging. Alrighty, it charged a bit, so let's check this out, see what we got. Alright, assuming that's how we turn it on. This is the startup screen. Here are the different options: camera, video, I think that's play, the music, games, settings. He's definitely gonna love the games. So we just click up here to get to them. Different options, and then go to the main screen again. Let me show you just recording a video. Here's how it looks like. Oh, the kid is gonna love this. A great gift idea.